Huh? No. Tommy got plenty of room. I got plenty of room. You got plenty of room. We're gonna wind the day out going at them hard. What it? This is what we do on Hooked Up Fishing. We get hooked up. I'm gonna get this sheep head for Chris. I mean for Tommy, cause he.
Sheep head, look over here. You had something.
Hit it.
Hit it. What do you have for shrimp?
Mullet. Took it. That was the last mullet too, wasn't it? Yeah, it was, cause he's all beef fishing with shrimp. Wasn't no more mullet in there. That's a big one. It's a nice one, Tom. Hooked Up Fishing on Vermeil Snapper in Port Aransas, Texas. Working on it. Vermeil Snapper. I can just lift this side. There you go. Thank you.
We out of bait?
Huh?
We out of bait?
You want some more?
Want some more?
Yeah.
He say, yeah. Put the mullet back. Look at the little baby crab swimming. Got a little talk to him. Tommy Elder SR on Vermeil snapper. Oh man.
What is that?
Big old sand trout up there close to the boat. Hooked up fishing. Oh shoot. Hooked up fishing. Oh shit. That's a good sheephead.
What?
Where's the net?
God dog.
The net's on your side.
Get the net, Tom.
Or give me that small one. Either one.
God dog. Hooked up fishing. Port Aransas, Texas. I ain't got him up yet, Chris. We hooked up. Tommy, what you laughing at?
You fight.
Got to put your rod in the water.
Keep doing it like that.
I'm gonna pump him till he well boy.
Let him bop.
I ain't hearing no drag.
My reel don't make that noise.
Braided line don't need it.
Uh-huh. But I bet you might not hear no drag, Tommy. But Chris, in here, man. Rudy T. Man, God dog. On the shrimp.
Nice.
God dog. Hooked up fishing. I'm talking about we going big time on y'all, man.
Another blondie.
Yeah. I don't know nowhere in Texas they do it like this. I gotta just give props what props do. I ain't no hater.
There you go.
This is awesome, big bro.
Yeah,
Little old bitty spit shot weight I got on there. And I throw up next to the rocks with a little bitty shrimp. I got a mullet right there. That's what I'm finna put on. I know you scared. I think RB, he's scared of big red fish. I think that's what's going on. Because he won't put a mullet on his line. You must not want him to do your little reels like that. Hooked up fishing. Port Aransas, Texas, I'm talking about. We got hard hitting Chris, Hollywood Rudy T, my big bro RB, Skeeter D, and then you got Tommy Elder SR that don't want to mess with the mullet. But look here, we finna go back to the box and show these people, you know, that it ain't no joke. I'm gonna slide back here and I'm gonna put this here going on tonight, big bro. We're gonna slide the cooler out just a little bit and I'm gonna give him a taste of the action. You all right, you stay where you at. We got all kind of stuff going on, but net falling. Huh, Tom? Sit back up there. Somebody the birds that got pissed off with each other. Everybody. And this is what we do down here in Port Aransas, Texas. This is how it go down. I mean, a world record sand trap. Chris pulled off something I ain't never seen done before. This is a sand trout, y'all. This ain't no speck. He hooked on the tag, but I'm gonna lay him on the side of the redfish. If you've never seen a sand trout that fat and that big, you gotta come to Port Aransas, Texas. This is where this happening. All right. Now that's enough. We can't show y'all everything. You might want to come to the spot. I'm posting that tonight.